Oh, there it goes. Go.
Alright, well, I'm gonna show Mark how a real man eats a fucking pizza. Fuck, this is gnarly. Alright. Yeah, it's not that bad. Good dunker.
Disgusting. I thought those ones were bite-sized.
Yeah, me too. So I tried them.
That pepperoni smells good.
That's good. No piece? No, I'm finished mine.
Holy fuck, you're not even a minute in. You saving the crust for last like Mark?
Fuck no, I love crust. This is delicious.
Well, you're already doing a lot better than Mark.
It's a little crunchy.
You can just hear it.
I almost broke my tooth.
Holy fucking shit. Oh, dude, that's so crunchy. Probably what you get for leaving it out for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, mine's dry as fuck. Oh.
Do you think you're like half done? A little less than half?
Probably a little less. There's part crust left, so.
God damn it, just going ham. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Are you gonna puke like Mark?
Hmm?
You gonna puke like Mark?
That's a waste of food, man. You can't do that. It's fucking a little likely out here today.
Oh, it's gonna fucking snow soon.
It's gonna snow and then get some real fucking videos up on the YouTube.
Good old Canada, eh? Maybe I'll belly flop in your hot tub again.
Look at that bite.
It's a perfect bite.
Oh, fuck.
So dry. Would you rather do this with a flatbread or a vintage?
Probably vintage, because you know it's not just forward cheese.
I think at this point I'd leave the crust for last.
I'm going to. It's so crunchy, man.
Just
Fuck.
crunch all at once.
Oh!
Just stuff your mouth full of crust and then take a drink of water and chew it with the water in there. Until that ending of that's done.
Fucking cold.
It is cold.
Oh. I'm shivering.
Fucking thing's annoying. You getting full yet?
Uh-huh.
I can tell. Do you see how Mark puked yet?
Hmm?
Do you see how Mark puked yet?
Mm-hmm.
You just hit that wall.
Oh, yeah.
He ain't care though. He's carrying.
Walls are meant to be broken.
Just across left, people.
How much we at?
5:13. Mark was at this point at 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Take a sip of water, man. It'll make it 10 times easier. Guarantee it. I can still hear it.
It's still quite crunchy.
Can't wait. Mark's coming over at 6, so I can't wait to show him this shit.
Oh!
It's so gnarly, just crunchy as fuck.
It hurts to eat, man.
Oh, he's going ham for all the last little pieces. Gotta clear your mouth before this counts. BAM! 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Just in case you guys can't read numbers, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. It's pretty fucking good.
Woo!
No puke either.
That motherfucker in.
No puke. And it was in the freezing cold. It's supposed to snow up in this motherfucker.
Fucking